Hi there, I'm Thomas from the Coders Tube team. If you're interested in blockchain technology and want to learn more about it, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a beginner-friendly approach to explaining how blockchain works and why it's such a revolutionary technology. We won't be showing any code, so don't worry if you're not a programmer. Just sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And to kick things off, here's a question for you. Have you heard of blockchain before? And if so, what do you know about it? Let us know in the comments below. Blockchain itself is formally defined as a distributed, decentralized, public ledger. This means that at its core, blockchain is a record-keeping technology. With blockchain, you can record transactions and track assets. What is blockchain? Blockchains power cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Bitcoin is especially popular and dominates the stock market. Digital currencies like Bitcoin have the advantage of low-cost transaction fees as well as being decentralized from government-issued currencies. A block in a blockchain signifies the digital information or data that is recorded. Blocks are linked together using cryptography, which is essentially a means of keeping information discrete and secure. The accumulation of these blocks creates a chain equivalent to a public database. What is a blockchain developer? Blockchain developers are those responsible for developing blockchains. As simple as it sounds, there are two types of blockchain developers: core blockchain developers and blockchain software developers. Core blockchain developers. Core blockchain developers are responsible for the architecture of the blockchain system. This involves high-level decisions like the design of the blockchain and the consensus protocol. Part of such a task is also handling security conventions. Blockchain software developers. Blockchain software developers simply create blockchain applications. These developers are alternatively called decentralized application developers because they build decentralized apps or dApps. This role is not unlike that of a typical software developer, but that developers must be able to develop smart contracts using tools such as Truffle and Solidity. That developers may also use languages correlated with mobile or web app development like React Native or Java. Why use blockchain? Blockchain is considered to be extremely secure. This is because the data in a block cannot be modified. Only subsequent blocks can be modified. To do this, there must be a consensus between the network majority. Any malicious activity would be detected immediately. In addition, blockchain is virtually free. There is a cost for the infrastructure but not the transactions themselves. For this reason, businesses can save the bother of paying small fees for every other financial operation. Overall, blockchain is a budget-friendly means of building trust between two parties. For businesses who have to make transactions with unestablished clients, whether that be financial or otherwise, having a secure system to do so can be very useful if not necessary. Your use for blockchain isn't limited to money either. There is a multitude of situations where blockchain can be handy, including copyright protection, digital voting, reward programs, medical archiving, and more. Advantages of using blockchain. Most people tend to associate blockchain with Bitcoin, but this is just one example of how blockchain technology can be utilized. And utilizing blockchain for your own business carries some advantages. Decentralized. Blockchain doesn't depend on an intrusive middleman. This means no government currency and also no third parties for verification. In addition, transactions are spread across thousands or perhaps even millions of computers, although only your blockchain network can access it. Thanks to this decentralization, data is never lost. Immutable. The data structure of a blockchain uses an append-only format. Ill-intentioned parties cannot alter or delete data that has already been recorded. Naturally, this provides an extra layer of security. Secure. Cryptography has Greek origins tracing back to the words hidden and secret. Even its modern denotation signifies a method of secure communication. Blockchain uses cryptography to encrypt the data stored within blocks, keeping everything extra secure. Blocks can only be attached to the chain after going through a verification process that requires a consensus between ledger participants. transparent. As blockchain is a distributed ledger, everyone in the network has access to the same documentation. These digital copies all route back to the same digital information, so you don't have a dozen individual copies of sensitive information. Efficient. Cost efficiency is a basic tenet of blockchain technology, but blockchain is efficient in more than one way. When you trade using a traditional pen and paper, it slows down business operations. Digital transactions are much faster and therefore more efficient. At the same time, digital information makes it much easier to store and record important business assets, ensuring traceability. Reasons to hire a blockchain developer. The notion of software development is probably what brought you to this page, but the tech industry goes beyond making mobile and web apps. For example, if you're a new business on the brink of setting up an online store, you may not have put much thought into how to handle your finances. Asking for credit card information is easy enough, but how will you make sure that no one can access a user's confidential information? Or worse, hack your entire system. Blockchain is a real-world solution for your payment processing SND divided by your money transfer needs. With that, blockchain isn't just some app on the App Store. It's an entire system and methodology, and professionals who have expertise in the blockchain business have spent precious time learning it. Core blockchain developers can build a blockchain system for your technology to utilize, and that developers can help you build a decentralized app like Bitcoin to service other businesses and hopefully top the markets as well. How to hire a blockchain developer. Hiring a blockchain developer may be a difficult process if you don't know what to look for. Unlike JavaScript or Python, blockchain isn't simply a programming language. It's something with the potential to change how you keep your business assets secure for the better. Of course, many tech-savvy professionals have also realized the wonders of blockchain and have dedicated their careers to working with this emerging technology for the foreseeable future. For those who wish to take the high road and hire blockchain developers on their own, we're here to help. Hiring a developer on your own is a very focused and hands-on process that requires considerable knowledge about software development in general. What should you look for in a blockchain developer? High-level blockchain developers should have the following abilities. Core blockchain developers. Capable of designing consensus and blockchain protocols, security patterns, and network architecture. Can supervise the entire network. Familiarity with how to program in languages suited for blockchain design like Rust, Go, C++, or Java. Blockchain software developers. Development experience using blockchain technology for smart contracts and web or mobile apps. Front-end programming expertise for building interactive dot designs. Back-end programming expertise for blockchain management. Thanks for watching our beginner's guide to blockchain technology. We hope you found this video informative and gained a better understanding of what blockchain is all about. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on blockchain development, programming, and other tech topics. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.